This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get green macarons in Secret Staycation. First, you'll need to gather a few key ingredients hidden around the map. Next, we'll tackle a fun minigame that tests your baking skills. Finally, I'll show you how to combine everything to craft your very own delicious green macaron. It's an easy process, and you'll be enjoying your sweet treat in no time. To begin, head to the kitchen area to find the flour and sugar. These are usually on the counter or in a cupboard. Then, venture into the pantry to locate the special green food coloring. It's often tucked away on a high shelf. Don't forget to visit the garden coop for 3 fresh eggs. Having all 4 items is crucial for the next step. Now it's time for the baking minigame. Make your way to the baking station, typically found in the main hall. The game will present you with simple on-screen instructions. Follow them precisely. Your goal is to achieve a score of at least 100 points. You'll also need to complete the entire challenge within 60 seconds to succeed. Good luck. With all your ingredients gathered and the minigame conquered, head to any crafting table. Open your crafting menu and select the green macaron recipe. It should be clearly visible now that you have all the necessary components. Confirm your selection and watch as your delicious, vibrant green macaron is crafted. It will then automatically appear in your inventory, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.